I wasn't expecting to book this premium economy class.
Okay, let's go.
Pa-champagne! Cheers! My immigration experience was very... Hindi ko naman nangyayari sa host mo ko. We just take off from Manila and sinerve na nila agad yung food for our lunch. We're having chicken and rice. Itadakimasu! Because it's currently past 1 p.m. na. So, ito na yung lunch natin. Actually, kanina sa airport, while waiting for the boarding, nag-chai latte lang ako and sandwich. We're finally boarding the plane! Okay, excited na ako matulog, excited na ako kumain, and excited na tayo makarating ng New Zealand! We're finally here in our last flight from Hong Kong to Auckland. And guys, look at this space of premium economy class. So, we have a vanity kit. Cutie! Uy, may socks! Eye mask. Toothbrush and toothpaste to freshen up after a long flight, and then headphones, and then blanket, pillow, and then guys, pwede nyo siyang iganito yan, sa mga walang dalang diba, ganyan, okay? And then guys, yung likod nare-recline niya ng medyo nakahiga ka na, medyo lang. Good night. Yung matutulog kang ganito, tapos pagising mo nasa New Zealand ka na. Thank you, Lord. Kung nagtataka kayo, wala dito yung table sa harap. Dito sa gilid. Diba? So, this is our screen. So, mas premium yung feels. Ay, nag-announce. Sorry. So, mas premium yung feels niya talaga. And this one, what is this? Another compartment for your phones here. And guys, may pa-menu sila. Oh my God, para tayo naka-business class. Nakakaiyak. Pagkakaalam ko, these are all free. Okay, so for tonight's dinner, wow! Dahil malayo yung screen natin, merong pa-remote. Diba? My arthritis feet will be happy kasi may footrest. Okay guys, speechless na ako. Wala na akong masabi. I wasn't expecting to book this premium economy class. Pero sobrang happy ako to experience this kasi syempre hindi naman tayo ganun ka well off para mag-book ng premium economy first class. But hopefully, we experience business class next time, di ba? Malay nyo, let's manifest it. See you later. Mamaya pagkakain na tayo. Pakita ko yung food. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Pa-champagne. Cheers.
So, balat, mamaya ka ng plate.
Grabe, ang worth it. Sobrang worth it. Nakakailang. Cheers. We deserve this. Good morning guys. So I just woke up from a very, very comfy sleep. Guys, hindi ko naman nangyayari sa Osmo ko. Pinipilit ko na lang talaga itong i-vlog. Kahit ganito yung itsura ng Osmo ko. Kasi nilagay ko siya dun sa front pocket seat ko. Pero hindi ko alam bakit ganito. So anyways, ma-document ko lang at makapagkwento lang ako. We're gonna refresh now. Kasi kalagay ito sa screen namin. Within 2 hours, we're going to land in Auckland. So, let's go. Guys, don't drink the water in the faucet. Okay? Don't. They already served us breakfast. Okay, so we have dim sum, fresh fruits, yogurt, pineapple yogurt, strawberry jam, a butter of course, and a croissant, mini croissant, and I have just coffee. Let's eat! Sarap yung sleep ko. In fairness. Nakatulog ako to. Tinapos ko pa yung Lilo and Stitch. After ko nanood nun, medyo nahirapan ako matulog. Magpatulog. hindi ako makatulog. Siyempre excited. Nahirapan ako matulog. Pero nung nakakatulog na ako, dire-diretso na. We're finally touched down Auckland. So, we arrived just on time. So, ngayon, we're just gonna pass by immigration and customs and then, feeling ko nandun na yung magsusundo sa atin. So, see you! Okay guys, so kakatapos na natin sa immigration. Nandito na ako ngayon sa baggage claim area. My immigration experience was very, very smooth and apakabait ng officer na natapat sa akin. Like, she was just like casually sinabi na parang bakit naka-print out pa yung visa natin. Ayun, and then after immigration guys, pagbaba nyo, if you don't have anything to declare on your baggage, you just go to your left. Pero pag meron, to your right. So ngayon, nandito tayo. Getting our luggages. Already pass. Ay! wait lang. Kailangan may pa-video pa. Oy, fresh man, oy! Oh my God! Kiara! Hindi pa ako na. Hello! Kiara! Wow, Kiara! Welcome to New Zealand! Yes! Finally with my sister na! Oh, diba? Around the world talaga! Ka-level talaga! It's fair! Ano po, ate? Ano dapat may accent, English accent. Ayun, sure. Okay guys, punta na kami sa parking kasi pagchichikahan muna kami. Mamaya na lang. Kasi dami ko ng vlog. Buong biyahe naka-vlog. As in, para pa-movie na ata sumama na to. Bye!
Parang sparkling something na
Ang cute. Oo, dun kasi wala kang choice. Oo.
Yan yung mga siga.
Oo.
Siga, yung mga siga. Ay, pilay siya!
Oo, ayan, kasi makulit ka eh.
Mm.
Ay, mag-ano lang ka.
Di, sama ka. Ano lang to, video-video niya lang to.
Go na. As a struggle content creator. Go na. Doon tayo papunta kaya.
Saan?
Diyan. Tapos papunta doon sa dagat.
Ang cute naman. Ang cute ang gumagawa niya. Ang galing mo niya. Ayan na, mag-unbox na tayo ng mga pasalubong. Ito yung ano.
Lagyan mo lang yun.
Alam mo, kinabahan ako dito, baka mamaya pa-open nila. Pwede pala. Hindi ko na rin binuksan kasi nga, nung nag-message ka, mahirapan pa ako ibalik.
Oo. At saka wala na kasi, ginawa daw kasi ng tita ko na ganun para hindi mangamoy.
Oo, hindi nga naman nangamoy.
Oo.
Mm-mm.
So, kasi nung salt
Oo,
yung
oo.
ano tawag nito? Yung bulad gute.
Into
Ginagawa-
yung, may Filipino sari-sari store.
Ang laki mo ng mega Philippines na yan.
Mega!
So happy. Thank you, ate.
Welcome. Malamig! Our camper van, guys.